Meaning of Gretna Green.
Gretna Green.
Gretna Green.
Gretna Green.
Gretna Green. Gretna Green is a small Scottish village that became famous in the late 18th and early 19th centuries as a destination for eloping couples. The village was known for its lax marriage laws, which allowed couples to marry at a young age without parental consent. Many English couples would travel to Gretna Green to get married, as it was located just over the border from England. Today, the village is still a popular wedding destination and is home to several historic wedding venues and museums dedicated to its romantic history.